Uh-huh. All right, everybody, welcome back to DSW Live Lounge. um, we have our baseball mixer. It's nice and quick. We're not going to have any big Series 1 jumbo boxes that we have to slog through. Nice and quick. Sean knows how to do it. Lots of good hits in this. Let's find out what teams you're going to get. So here's the spreadsheet. Seven times. All right, 1, 2, 3. Boom, 7 right there. Philly. And the Yankees. That's opposite. The Yankees are going to be in first, and the Phillies will be in last. So keep that in mind. Or, that could just be the draft order. That's what it'll be. The Yankees will have the last pick because they won the World Series. You know what I mean? What?
You said you are wearing your hat.
I am. I have my Yankees hat.
I'm a party 3 days in, and I just haven't even realized you're wearing your hat.
Yeah, it's just who I am. I'm a hat guy now. 1, 4, 5, and final order right here, 6. All right. Here are your teams. Best of luck. Choice saying you have the Phillies. Brian S., you have the Braves. Matthew D. has the Marlins. Adam C., the Nats. Dario with the Rangers. Howie with the Dodgers. Dario with the Royals. Scott P., the Giants. Richard T., the Astros. David B. with the White Sox. Lowell, you have the Padres. Sung S., the Tigers. Eric Z., the Cardinals. Adam M., the Angels. Charlie C., the Twins. Thomas S., the Mets. Eric Z., the Indians. Sam Z., the Mariners. Andrew M., the Orioles. Richard T., the Red Sox. Matthew H., the Blue Jays. Lars with the Pirates. Clint with the Rays. Dario with the Athletics. Chris W. has the Reds. Jeremy D. with the Diamondbacks. Timothy S., the Brewers. Todd G. has the Cubbies. David V., the Rockies. And Sam V. with the Yanks. The boxing mixer. If we could do that, we totally would.
Like for Canada or like the sport?
No, boxing, like boom, boxing, knockouts.
I didn't know it was Boxing Day.
They have boxing cards. They do.
Yeah, that wouldn't be very much in terms of variety.
Yeah, I know.
And I don't think we have any. So.
Yeah, I don't think we have that much either.
Good in theory, though.
We should just have Mike Tyson come in.
Love Mike Tyson.
A wrestling mixer?
Holy mother of pearl. I don't even know how that. Yeah, well, you know what? I probably will look into that.
Sean's doing that right now.
I'm not. We're being a lot of stuff.
The tribe is broken. The tribe has spoken. They want a wrestling mixer.
I'm writing it down on the big board of ideas.
All right, I don't see any trades. There will be undisputed. We're gonna start with some high tech. This will be. Is this the? Oh, okay. This is last year's high tech. Didn't open as much of it as this year's high tech, but still the same thing. On card autos. All the cards are going out. Best of luck. I see some nice stuff. All right. Trouty, Longoria, Stanton, Willie Mays, Yadier Molina, Jose Abreu rookie. Oh, man, a red Mariano Rivera, 5 of 10. Love that.
Very nice.
Oh, jealous. And how about an awesome Crime Dog auto for the Devil Rays? Love that. Fred McGriff with the Devil Rays. Not the Braves. Or the other teams he played with. I'm just messing with Brian. Because he has the Braves. Cold-blooded. All right, what we got? Biggio, Mark Grace, Jorge Soler, Buster Posey, Chipper Jones, Alex Gordon, purple of Freddie Freeman, and a gold Roberto Osuna, 34 of 50 for the Blue Jays.
So high tech with that.
There we go. Not bad, not bad. All right, 2 boxes down. Let's go to Strata. We have a Jorge Soler rookie auto for the Cubbies. And how about a Yasmani Tomas relic auto for the Diamondbacks? 77.99. Got some pinstriping in there. Cool hit. We are burning through this. Sean really made it we'll do a 5-star, then we'll bounce around a little bit. You guys can throw out requests too. All right. Micah Johnson, rookie auto for the Sox. And a very cool Carlos Delgado auto, 14 and 25 rainbow parallel for the Blue Jays. Blue Jays racking up some hits. All right. We'll do the 75th. All right. Eddie Matthews. Blue Crusade, that's with the Braves. Johnny Bench for Cincinnati. Josh Gibson, Homestead Grays. He did not play with any MLB team, so that'll be up for grabs to everybody. Casey Stengel, 44/75 for the Yankees. Hawk Dawson for the Nationals, since his Expos card, 7/75. George Sisler, 46/50 for the Cardinals. Red Crusade, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles, 47/75. Blyleven, 45/50 for the Twins. Jim Palmer, Pee Wee Reese, autographs. Jim Bunning, that's for the Phillies. And a Goose Gossage, 3/24 blue parallel auto for the Yankees. All right, so there we go. Not too bad of a box. Gotta love Goose, even though he's went off the deep end a little bit lately. Yep, Yankees on Goose. He spent the most games played with the Yankees. I know he played a bunch of places, but most games played was with New York. I think it was like 78-80 something. Yeah, Goose got cranky, yeah. What's up with him? All right, we'll do some museum collection. Haven't done this in a little bit. New one comes out next week, so this will be a nice little send-off. All right, Cueto, Altuve, Freddie Freeman, and there's Rusney Castillo, not numbered. Jumbo Relic, Billy Hamilton, 7/50 for the Reds. Lou Gehrig. Yoenis Cespedes with the Tigers. Luis de Castillo rookie. Wainwright. And there is a Christian Yelich auto. 58 of 399 for the Marlins. As I said, this man shares my birthday. See, he got all the baseball skills. I got the looks. So, that's just what happened. You all right over there? Oh, got a thick card coming up. All right, we'll start out with a Goldie. 163 and 199 green parallel for the Diamondbacks. Goldschmidt again. Votto. Mariano Rivera. And this is kind of cool. A Livan Hernandez triple relic auto with the Expos. So that's for the Nationals. There we go. Guys should watch the 30 for 30 on Livan Hernandez and El Duque. It's pretty interesting. We're finishing this up, and then I got a personal break right after this one, so you'll be on deck. Yeah, can you go get that? Yeah, I think she placed it. Pujols, Polanco, Mays. Oh, that's Warren Spahn. And there's a Craig Kimbrell, 12 of 25, quad relic for the Braves. Alright, we'll do pastime since it's right there. Dude, you're right. This was the Express mixer.
Better for everybody involved.
It really is. Except this pastime. Ariel. There we go. Pretty sure it's Premiere. Alright, what we got? Okie dokie. David Adams. 12 of 125. This is interesting. Past, present, future. Gehrig, Pujols, and Chris Davis. 40 and 99 triple relic. We'll see who wins that after the break. That is with the Yankees, Baltimore, and the Angels. Silhouettes is Dom Mattingly. 9 of 25 for the Yanks. Ozzie Smith. 47 to 125 for the Cardinals. Cool yellow, George Brett, 10 to 25. Clayton Kershaw, 15 to 125. Autograph of Chris Perez with Cleveland, 27 to 125. LJ Hose, or I think it's Hoes, I don't remember. Out of 125 auto, that is for Houston. How about a Reggie Jackson auto, 27 to 125 for the A's? It's Oakland. And a booklet, dual exhibits, 3 of 17. Anthony Rizzo and Mark Grace. That's a cool hit for the Cubbies right there. Nice pinstripes. Rizzo and Grace, 3 of 17. Nice hit. We'll do some 5-star. Oh, we definitely got a redemption in here. We definitely do, because I see it. Dang. All right. 5-star redemption autograph of Carlos Rondon. That's for the White Sox. And how about this? 9 of 35 jumbo relic auto of Javier Baez. 9/35. Look at that patch. That thing is absolutely filthy. Nice hit, Cubbies. Do the other 5-star as well. What Brian said. No, he just said, he said something I agree with. Oh, what is... All right. We have a Starling Marte auto for the Pirates. And how about a very nice 2/25 Roger Clemens Golden Graphs auto. It's like pink. Here you go, Boston. Autograph's a little clouded. It's not smudged. It's a little clouded. But it's fine. It still looks good. All right, so nice break right there for the 5-star. Do triple threads, and then we'll hit up treasures, and then we'll be on to our personal break. Of showcase. Hank Aaron auto relic coming. All right. You mean for the it would be with the Brewers though. I'm kidding. That would be cruel. All right, what do we got? So mean. All right, there's the Mad Dog, 16/99 with the Cubbies. Reggie Jackson, the 344 with the A's. Sonny Gray, Chris Sale. There's Hank Aaron, so you weren't wrong. Billy Hamilton, 10/18 jersey for the Reds. And a Jung Ho Kang, 96/99 rookie auto for the Pirates. All right. All right, let's get that Hank Aaron. Corey Kluber out of 125. Craig Biggio out of 354. Buxton, the Babe. Hannes Wagner. John Smoltz, Good Deal relic. 5/27 Legends die cut. Oh yeah, they traded for him. Yep, the deal that you got from the Tigers. Nice hit right there. And a CC Sabathia relic auto, 2 pinstripes, 70/99 for the Yankees. And treasures. Final box of the break. Do a couple randoms. Ooh, I like this. We're starting out hot. A Maikel Franco 5/5 prime patch relic for the Phillies. Colossal. That's nasty. 5/5. Beautiful hit right there. CC shows up again. 68/99 relic for the Yanks. Joe Mauer 63/99 jersey for the Twins. Kyle Schwarber relic auto, 26/99 for the Cubbies. A Dalton Pompey, 21/49 bat relic silhouette for Toronto. Jose Altuve, 3/25 relic auto for the Astros. A Jose Abreu 95/99 auto for the White Sox. Redemption. Rookie Colossal Signatures. That's of Maikel Franco as well. Nice hit there, Phillies. And our booklet, 2025 Star Relic of Nelson Cruz for Seattle. Alright, so there you go. Nice break. Bunch of cool stuff in there. Went by nice and quick. Probably have another baseball mixer up at some point since the season's up. And let's quickly find out where these are going to go. Alright. 3 times. We'll do that for both of them. Alright. Angels. Orioles. And the Yankees. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. That's going to the Angels. And the Josh Gibson card. Everyone has a chance at it. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. That's going to Dario. Josh Gibson card. That's all yours. Not numbered, but Josh Gibson was awesome. Alright, that's it. Nice break. As I said, we'll get more mixers up going forward, obviously. Sean's probably going to work on that wrestling mixer. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit.